How to buy Cryptocatch token. So this token, it came under the symbol of CTCH. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is under the pre-sale. Now click on their website, they include it on their X account. You will be redirected to this page to be able to buy it. So as you can see, if you click on pre-sale, you can read all of that on their pre-sale. Now click on buy soon pre-sale and you will be redirected to pink sale page. Now what you need to do is connect your wallet. So if you don't find your wallet from here, just click on this little arrow down and you will be able to see your wallet here if you find it. For example, I will use the Bybit wallet. So if you click on it, now as you can see, this pop-up appear here. Now you need to click on confirm, and after you connect your wallet, now here set how much you want to buy of this token. So because I don't have any funds, I can't be able to enter how much I want to buy. So for you, just type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, you can buy with Sol with easy. After that, you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Cryptocatch token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.